Guys, our vlog for today guys, titingnan natin yung nagtatrabaho sa taas ng bako. Ito tingnan natin. Okay guys, andito na tayo sa taas guys. Titingnan natin yung mga kasamahan natin nagtatrabaho. Yun, master welder guys. Yung engineer talaga nagtatrabaho. Tingnan mo yung engineer. Yun yung assistant. Ito assistant, chief mechanic, assistant mechanic. Ada engineer guys. Ada engineer guys. Oh, oh, tingnan mo guys oh. Hirap yan eh oh.
Ada sip people.
Oh, target guys oh. Grabe oh. Naputol. Naputol yung kanji. Naputol yung bolt. Kaya pala guys, naputol yung bolt. Kaya target. Ada engineer guys. Ada engineer. Kaya. Dharma. Darmindar. Hindi engineer. Tingnan mo guys oh. Siya mismo nagtatrabaho. Tapos ito yung chief mechanic isa. Ito mechanic din to guys oh. Ayan oh. Ayan yung kuhan nila guys oh. Naputol kasi yung tornilyo guys, kaya titirahin niya. Dinugtungan niya guys oh, ng ano, tornilyo. Ayan guys oh, dinugtungan ng tornilyo guys oh. Ayan guys oh.
Bolt kasar.
Ay, bolt kasar baden. Ayo. Okay ka lang?
Okay lang.
Okay lang daw.